I was shocked because, I mean, at that point, what is the point of having insurance if something was denied?
Rebecca Strauch was told that a procedure was medically necessary and would be life-changing for her. Her insurance denied the claim. All this week, WBAL-TV 11 News Investigates is looking at the various issues people are facing in our series, Costly Coverage, Health Insurance in Maryland.
And you have options if a claim is denied, but you need to know where to go. David Collins shares Rebecca's story and explains what you need to know if something similar happens to you.
The appeals process can be maddening, frustrating. Everywhere you turn, denied. You feel boxed in. We found someone who never gave up, and she shared the secrets to her success.
I was diagnosed with pelvic congestion syndrome, and it was an ovarian embolization.
For the past 13 years, Rebecca Strauch, who is a married working mother of 3 young children, had been suffering through severe daily pain. The agony often forced her to cancel plans. Then hope, when a specialist suggested a new kind of treatment.
How would the medically necessary procedure have helped you?
Life-changing. The day at the hospital when I was getting the procedure, they told me, everybody was like, your life is going to be so much better because you're not going to be in so much pain.
The surgery worked. Rebecca got her life back, but a new unexpected expense problem developed.
How much of out-of-pocket costs was this, and how surprising was it?
$34,000 plus, because I still don't know if all the bills have come in yet. I was shocked because, I mean, at that point, what is the point of having insurance if something was denied?
Rebecca filed an appeal with her insurance company.
I got the letter in the mail, and it just basically said that they were not approving it.
She then contacted all her doctors to make sure the office paperwork was filled out correctly. The information included physical therapy appointments, reference numbers, doctor's notes, referrals, CT scans, and medical receipts.
Then that was denied.
How frustrating has this been?
I was frustrated because, I mean, I know that things like this happen, but what can you do when something is denied? I was very upset. I didn't know what else to do.
Rebecca doubled down. She collected some 60 pages of medical documents and kept sending the material to her health insurance company. She did this for nearly 10 months.
So this is the bill and all the denial claims and all of the documentation. Plus I had like my personal letter stating everything that I've tried, just basically begging for an approval of, that I needed it and that it was medically necessary.
Rebecca could have gotten help from 2 state agencies. One is the Maryland Insurance Administration.
We have independent medical teams that take a look at that, and honestly, if a case does get to us, we have a really high success rate of helping out consumers.
Based on the most recent data, in 2023, the Maryland Insurance Administration says after a case got to them, the initial decision was reversed or modified 69.7% of the time. The State Attorney General's office has a specialized team in its Consumer Protection Division. The Health Education and Advocacy Unit offers free mediation for denied coverage from private health plans. For Rebecca,
the appeal went through.
Remarkably, during our interview with Rebecca, she got official written approval from her insurance company.
Our responsibility is now $1,339.57. This is just one step closer to everything being finished, so I'm very happy.
The lesson? Be persistent, meet deadlines. And if all appeals are exhausted without success, seek legal advice as a last resort. David Collins, WBAL-TV 11 News Investigates.
David, thank you. We have links to the Maryland Insurance Administration and the Attorney General's office in the WBAL-TV 11 News app.